Good afternoon. My name is David Parada, and this is The Weekend with My Family. Weekends with my family change according to our times. On weekends, I travel to the city of Tunja. Sometimes my boyfriend travels with me. I have class on Saturdays at the university. My dad works some Saturdays. My younger brother plays soccer some weekends. My mom cooks for everyone our favorite food. We don't like to travel far on weekends. We like to travel to visit our grandmothers. My dad and my brothers don't like to cook on weekends. They watch our cars and motorcycles on the weekends. Honestly, we like sleep in. We like to sleep if we can. I like to make hamburgers for the family and share with them. Thank you for your attention.